Hello, Jamaica, and hello, the Maroons of Jamaica. Hello, Chief Curry, Ambassador Anuel, and hello, Jeff and Leah Funderburg. Jeff, I would like to thank you for trekking all the way out there. Chief Curry, I would like to thank you for believing in the technology and purchasing it for your people. And Ambassador Anuel, I would like to thank you for your support. And I greatly appreciate what you're doing because you're going to help ensure that Jamaica always has a never-ending source of water. I've been working with this technology for many years, and I'm very pleased to provide this technology to the people, the Maroon people of Jamaica, and to the entire nation of Jamaica. I thank you for purchasing this machine because you're going to help all the people around there because now everyone will understand that you're never going to run out of water. This is a great honor for me, and it's a great honor for the technology and all the hard work that everyone's put in here to do this. Apollo Mondesir, Colin Hertzler, the technicians and the engineers who helped build this technology, Dexter Moon, who stood with me for many years to get to this point, and everybody else who's helped along the way. You are the first in the island chain to purchase one of these machines, and we're very grateful for it because now we can always, that mission that I have is to save a life, and now you're giving me that opportunity to help give you a technology that'll take you well into the future and support the people that definitely need it.
Your light release the stress. In your arms I feel stronger. So I share